Defamation is more than just hurtful words, it's a legal issue that can have serious consequences. Imagine someone spreading false information about you. This is where defamation comes into play. In India, it falls into two categories, civil and criminal. Civil defamation allows you to seek monetary compensation for the damage done to your reputation. On the other hand, criminal defamation can lead to fines or even imprisonment under the Indian Penal Code. It's crucial to understand that not all negative statements are defamatory. The key is whether they are false and damaging. So, if you find yourself in this situation, knowing your rights and the legal framework, let's dive into the laws governing defamation in India. Section 499 of the IPC defines defamation as making or publishing any statement with the intent to harm someone's reputation. Think about it, accusing someone of a crime they didn't commit or spreading false claims about their character can land you in serious trouble. Now, if you're found guilty, Section 500 lays down the punishment up to 2 years in prison, a fine, or both. Even though Section 66A of the IT Act has been struck down, defamation on digital platforms isn't a free-for-all. You can still tackle it under IPC provisions or other IT laws. And let's not forget civil law. If someone tarnishes your reputation, you can file a defamation suit under tort law to seek damages. Defamation comes in two forms, slander and libel. Slander is when someone makes false-spoken statements, whether in a casual chat or a public setting. On the other hand, libel involves written or published statements, like social media posts or articles. In India, both slander and libel fall under the same legal umbrella, which means the consequences can be serious. Now, if you find yourself accused of defamation, there are solid defenses you can use. First, truth is your strongest ally. If what you said is true and can be backed up, you're in the clear. Then there's public interest. Statements made for the greater good aren't considered defamatory. Fair criticism is also a shield, especially when it comes to public figures. Honest opinions are protected under free speech. Lastly, if the person consented to the statement being published, it's not defamation. If you find yourself a victim of defamation, here's what you need to do. First, gather evidence, screenshots, emails, recordings, anything that proves the defamatory statement. Next, send a legal notice to the defamer, demanding they retract their statement and apologize. If that doesn't work, consider filing a civil suit for monetary compensation to repair your reputation. You can also file a criminal complaint under Sections 499 and 500 of the IPC. In today's digital age, defamation has evolved. Cyber defamation occurs when harmful content is shared online. If you're targeted, report the content to the platform immediately. You can also file a complaint under the IT Act and IPC. Remember, platforms like Twitter and Facebook are required to take down defamatory content once. Your reputation is your most valuable asset. When someone tries to tarnish it, it can feel overwhelming, but remember, the law is on your side. Defamation can take many forms: slander, which is spoken, or libel, which is written. If you find yourself in this situation, the first step is to know your rights. Gather evidence, screenshots, recordings, or witness statements. Document everything meticulously. Then, consult with a legal professional who can guide you through the process. You have the power to fight back. Take action, whether it's sending a cease and desist letter or pursuing a lawsuit. Protecting your reputation is not just about clearing your name, it's about standing up for yourself and asserting your rights. Stay aware.